Now, if you remember matrix multiplication from high school, so you must remember there was a rule. We had a rule, and for example, let's say we have a matrix this, and it has two rows. For example, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So two rows and three columns. And we have another matrix, and that has three rows but two columns. So let's say 1, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So the rule was that the number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. So the order of first matrix is, it's always rows into column. So there are two rows and three columns. This is the order of first matrix. The order of second matrix is 3 into 3 rows and 2 columns. So the rule is that columns of first matrix should be equal to the rows of second matrix. This should be same, otherwise matrix multiplication cannot be performed. So we have to follow this rule while performing matrix multiplication in R. We have to create our matrices with this particular order, that the columns of first should match with the should be equal to the rows of second. Now let's create such a matrix. Let's call it W equals to matrix, and then let's define some values. So the rows can be can have any values, but columns should be 3 or same as the rows of second matrix. So I'm going to call it 2 column 3, enter, and Z equals to now the rows must be 3, and we can have any number of columns. I'm going to keep it 2. Spare brackets. So these are our two matrices. Now let's perform matrix multiplication on them. For that, the operator is percentage sign, multiplication sign, and then again percentage sign. And then the second matrix, that is Z. Press enter, and you can see matrix multiplication has been performed on them. And you can multiply these two matrices on your own and see you can match the answer with this answer.